Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As promised, today is the day. So when I purchased my R1T back in June, I was pretty much handed an IOU for the power tonneau cover. I had a first attempt to get it installed back in October at the Trenton Service Center. They had me on the schedule. They said they pretty much had everything in stock except for one part was on back order, and that was the button on the rail that opens and they used to open and close the tonneau cover. So because of that, I had to get rescheduled, and now is that time in December to get the tonneau cover installed. Except for this time, they scheduled me for the newly opened Malvern Service Center. So let me show you kind of like the back of the truck as to what my expectations are, and then we'll ride on over to the Malvern Service Center. They may or may not let me take video inside. We'll see when we get there. But wanted to do a quick video on the experience of getting the tonneau cover installed as well as the new service center. So as you can see, my R1T is currently lacking the power tonneau cover. What they do have, I guess, during on delivery is they have this rubber dummy pad here, which kind of fooled me because I thought there was actually the tonneau cover already installed when I purchased it, but no, this is just I guess a dummy plate that they put in during manufacturing until you get the power tonneau cover. And this basically right here is the button on the railing. Right now, it's only used to open the tailgate. But when you get the power tonneau cover, there's the open tailgate, and then there's also the control for the opening and closing of the tonneau cover. And this is the part that was on back order back in October that kind of delayed getting this installed. But the power tonneau cover is a very useful feature. It kind of locks in this area behind the bed. It's semi-waterproof, so storing some stuff back here, unless it's torrential downpour or going through a car wash, is fairly well protected. But I just like to have it because it just maximizes that storage space in a truck format here, that I can actually store stuff in the back here without too much worry of it getting ruined or stolen. So I'm going to let you guys go for now. And next time you'll see me, we should be pulling into the Rivian Service Center in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Yay, so as you can see, we made it here to the Rivian Service Center in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Not sure if they're going to let me film inside, but brand new facility, definitely a lot easier to get to than driving down to Gaithersburg, Maryland or Trenton, New Jersey. So let's drop it off. Hey everyone, welcome to the Malvern Service Center for Rivian. We're in the main lobby. They got all the merch out. You got the waiting area. Let's take a little walk through the waiting area and lobby here at the Malvern Rivian Service Center. Hey everyone, welcome to the Malvern Service Center. This is the detailing area here. This facility is fairly large. It's probably one of the bigger ones that I've been to. I've been to Gaithersburg, and then just the Trenton Service Center. But this place should be able to hold a lot of service bays. There's an area here that I think at some point in the future they're going to have for delivery vehicles. You can see all the lifts here. They also work on the Amazon delivery vans here, and they have two shifts: day shift and night shift. A lot of the shifts, the Amazon work gets done during the night shift. We'll take a quick walk. Like I said, this place is cavernous, so they're going to have a lot of room for service bays and service lifts. Let's walk through real quick and then head on out. And this is the parts section where they have all their parts, spare parts for the Rivian vehicles. All right, that's pretty much the Malvern Service Center. Let's go check out the new tonneau cover on the Rivian. All right, everyone, check it out. We got the power tonneau cover. Let's check it in motion. Definitely seems nice and smooth. All right, let's have it come back out. Awesome. Great to have power tonneau cover. Well, that's today's video. Hope you guys like it. Again, if you like the content I'm putting out there, like and subscribe. Any comments or questions below, put them in the comments and I'll try to get back to them and answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.